Hello lovelies, and welcome back again to another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In this video we are making watermelon banana smoothie. So let's get into the video. In my blender I will add my frozen watermelon and banana. I will go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey. I will also add vanilla essence, which is optional, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I will then blend all this together. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Getty's World, and in this channel we do food recipes. If you are interested, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. I wouldn't have been here without your support. Thank you for always being there. I do appreciate it a lot. After blending, this is our smoothie. This looks so yummy, refreshing, and healthy as well. I hope you give this a try. And if you are still watching and not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please like this video, share this video, and also comment on this video. Please help grow this channel together. Till then, see you in my next video, and peace be with you all. Bye.